Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to another English class review. This is week 32. Remember my name, teacher Omar Arturo Trujillo Science. So let's review the homework from last week. First, you have to complete the sentences with the simple present of the verb. For example, remember we have he and the verb in bracket is like rap music. Remember when we have a third person like he, we have to add it as to the action verb. Okay, he likes rap music. Next, play. We don't have the verb, the action verb remains in the base form. We play tennis in school on Wednesday afternoon. My mother, third person, we have to add it, ends in ch, we have to add es. My mother teaches art. Next, we have to rewrite the sentences in negative form. For example, you copy from other students. You don't copy from other students. You, she studies French. She doesn't. Remember the auxiliary for he, she, and it is does not in negative, and the verb goes back to the base form. She doesn't study French. They live near me. They don't live near me is the correct answer. Next exercise, we have to unscramble the words in order to make a question and answer it with short answer. The first one, does is the auxiliary verb, so does your brother is the next one. Go to school on Saturday. A negative answer, no, he doesn't. Next, do you live near do your friends live near you? No, they don't. The answer. At 3 o'clock, school finished does. Remember that these are yes no questions. We have to start with the auxiliary. Does. Does school finish at 3 o'clock? No, it doesn't. And the last part of your homework, complete the following questions with the correct auxiliary and the correct form of the verb. The first one, we have the subject is do. What do they do in the evening? Next, your sister, that means it's third person, so the auxiliary is does. What does your sister do on Saturday? Next one, Mary, also third person. When does Mary start school? All right. Remember, in questions, the verb, the action verb, always goes back to the base form. Please correct your homework and let's continue. Let's review the present progressive this week. Remember that we use the present progressive or continuous to talk about activities that are happening now, activities that are happening in this moment. The structure for the present progressive affirmative, we need a subject, we need a verb, the verb to be, we need an action verb. Here we have to add it ing and the complement. Subject, I, the verb to be, am, the action verb, speak plus ing, the pronunciation would be speaking English. I am speaking English, an action in this moment. Next subject, he, she, and it. The verb to be for this subject is the action verb studying plus ing, studying math. For subject, we, they, you, the verb to be is are. The action verb play plus ing, playing soccer. Alright? The negative form of the present progressive, we have to use the same subject, the verb to be, Here we have to add it not. The action verb remains in plus ing and the complement. Example, I am not speaking English. I am not speaking English. For he, she, and it is, or the contraction isn't, is not studying math. We, they, you are not, or the contraction aren't playing soccer. All right? Remember this structure for affirmative and negative. Interrogative, yes, no questions. Okay? What would happen here? Remember, we have all this for this is an affirmative, but we have to change, in this case, the subject with the verb to be. So the verb to be goes in the first and then the subject. Am I speaking English? And the question mark. Is he, is she, is it studying math? Are we, are they, are you playing soccer? And how we answer this question? These are yes, no questions. For example, are you studying English? For affirmative answer, yes, I am. Or, no, I am not. This is for singular. For plural, yes, we are. Oh, no, we aren't. Another example. Is he, is she studying English? Yes, he, yes, she, yes, it is. Or negative, no, he, she, it, or isn't. All right. Remember, in this case, if he is he studying English? Yes, he is. If we have she in the question, yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Next, are we or are they studying English? Yes, we are. Oh, no, we aren't. No, they aren't. Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. All right? Remember that last week we learned about the WH word, question words. For example, what? That refer to ask about a thing. For example, what are you doing? When refers to ask about a time of an event or activity or a date. When are you coming to my house? When, time, date. Where refers to asking about a place. Where are you going? Where are you going? Next, who? Asking about a person or subject. Who is doing the homework? And why? Asking for a reason. Why is he running? And how? Asking about a procedure or method. How is she cooking? The structure, when we use the present progressive interrogative using WH question words, would be first, we need the question word, the WH word, what, where, when, who, why, how. Next, the verb to be, am, is, or are. Next, the subject, I, he, she, it, we, they, you. The action verb plus ing, speaking, studying, playing, and the complement, English, math, or soccer. All right? Where am I speaking English? And the question mark, obviously. Where am I speaking English? Where? A place. When is she studying math? Why are they playing soccer? Asking for a reason. Okay? Some examples. Remember the present progressive tip that I gave you? With expression like now, right now, in this moment, today, these days, that means that the action are that are actions happening in the moment, in a near or in a near future, close future. Example: I am watching a movie now. Right now, she's cooking dinner. They are playing video games in this moment. We are visiting my grandparents these days. He's going to the zoo today. These are near future. Example, remember these are information questions. They're asking for a specific information. Asking about a thing. What are you doing? I am speaking English. Asking about the time of an event or activity. When are you coming to my house? We are coming right now. Asking about a place. Where are they going? They are going to the supermarket. Asking about a person or subject. Who is doing the homework? My best friend is doing the homework. Asking for a reason. Why is he running? Because he's training for the marathon. Asking about a procedure or method. How is she cooking? She's cooking in the oven. Alright? Homework from this week. Please pay attention what you have to do. You will have to do exactly the same thing that you did last week. Use the correct verb to be and present continuous of the verb. The verbs, we are talking about plural, so the verb to be would be are. Sing plus ing, singing. The birds are singing. Next, they is plural, so the verb to be is are. They are clean plus ing, cleaning the whole house. Next part of the homework, rewrite the sentences in negative form. The boys are playing tennis today. Negative form, remember, the boys aren't playing tennis today. Dad is washing his car today. Negative, Dad isn't washing his car today. Next, scramble the words in order to make a question and answer it with short answer. Making breakfast is this morning, Dad. Correct answer is Dad making breakfast this morning? Negative answer. No, he isn't. Listening to you music are. Answer, are you listening to music? Yes, I am. Next and last part, complete the following questions with the correct verb to be and correct form of the verb in present continuous. For example, what? Which is the verb to be for they? Correct. Are. What are they doing tonight? Your sister. Third person. What? The verb to be is. What is your sister playing right now? I hope you got this explanation. This is today for all. Please share the video and watch it before you answer your homework. Thank you guys for continue on this modality of teaching English classes. See you guys next week. Have an excellent weekend.